Oh, wow.
This is the elevator at the Mellon building at Chatham University in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Unfortunately, the outside chime is muted, but the inside's high-pitched. Installed in 1999, I think, or maybe 98. I forget, I'll have to check the interlocker certificate. PA elevators.
This is interesting.
Well, they got rid of the thing that's in Mellon building under. That's weird. Maybe because it's the Mellon Center.
This is an interesting elevator.
Very squeaky, though. And kind of jolty.
We'll go up to 3. This is an interesting elevator.
It is. This obviously originally had the low pitch chimes. This was installed in 1999. But it has the rare capacity plate, and this thing has an epic motor going up.
Alright, let's listen to the motor. Schindlers always have interesting motors.
Yeah, I do like your camera angles here, 3. This floor's nothing really that special.
Yeah, I mostly did that angle to get my thumbnail.
Alright. Alright, your thumbnail going to be the capacity plate. There's a certificate, installed in 1999. There's PA elevators.
There's Evan.
Here's your basic Schindler 321A. This used to say Mellon building, but I don't know why they got rid of it. Maybe it fell.
HT fixtures.
I'm doing the same thing as Jared, copycat.
Very nice elevator.
Yeah. I discovered this elevator by exploring in 2015. Even though my first time here was in 2013, and the first time I filmed here was in 2014. I do like the wood walls. This elevator
I like
was
how the call station's in the wall.
same for the indicator
And not for
and
the
the alarm
door
bell.
frame.
There, closest nut's gonna be it.